Today I'm going to be making 10 cookies for my 10 subscriber special. For this recipe you will need a small mixing bowl, flour and white sugar,
Maybe I shouldn't go this way. What's this white thing?
1 egg yolk,
What is in here? That is an interesting smell.
baking soda and vanilla extract,
Lullaby.
1/4 of a cup or half a stick of softened butter. I have to go softened mine because I did not expect to be baking at such a vehemently early hour. Sadly, I melted some of my butter, but thankfully there is still enough for the recipe. Now I'm going to be beating my brown sugar into my butter. That creates air bubbles, which is why cookies have a nice and soft texture to them. But first, I have to find something to measure my brown sugar with. Fortunately, I can only find half a teaspoon, but we'll make it work. So I'm adding my brown sugar to the small bowl with the butter, and something tragic happens that I don't even realize. My video stopped recording. Basically, what happened when my camera stopped recording is that I finished adding the brown sugar, then I added the white sugar and beat it in as well. I added vanilla extract with a few drops of almond extract, added baking soda, I had 1 egg yolk, and I started adding the flour. So this is what the cookie dough looks like so far. Now I'm going to continue adding the flour to my cookie dough 1/4 cup at a time. Mixing done. I'm going to continue adding my flour again because if you add all the flour at one time, then you try to mix it, the flour goes everywhere, it makes a big mess, and I don't want to make a big mess again, so. Now that all the flour is added, I'm going to be mixing in the white chocolate chips. What? I want some too. So, I know you're supposed to put cookies on a cookie sheet, but I couldn't find one, so I put my cookies on a pizza pan with aluminum foil over it. I'm dropping the cookies by about a tablespoon onto the pan. I would measure it with a tablespoon, but I couldn't find one, so I'm eyeballing it with a spoon. And I know y'all be seeing me using my hands to get the cookie dough off of the spoon. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands. Y'all aren't gonna get coronavirus from my cookies. Now I'm gonna be letting the cookies bake 9 to 11 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Look, they're done. Thank y'all for the 10 subscribers. I'm gonna be honest, I really didn't expect to get 10 subscribers this fast, but thank you so much. Hope y'all enjoy the cookies. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's like that entertaining, but I hope you have a good day. Remember, everything in moderation, including my cookies and toilet paper.